Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Toto. So as you can see, this video is another crochet hairstyle. Now I'm doing my cousin's hair. I was sent some hair from a hair company. I'll put it in the description box below because I really can't pronounce it. But I was sent some hair and I wanted to try it on her, for one because she's starting a new job and she also has a new baby. So everything is kind of just going in, fast forward mode. It's really moving fast. So I offered to do her hair so that way she will not have to worry about it getting up to work and trying to get baby ready to go to the babysitter. And so it worked out. So here I am, I'm braiding her hair. It's not in the usual straight back pattern, it's in a zigzag pattern or a messy pattern. So that way when I put in the crochet braids, it will look like it was braided in or twisted in instead of it, looking like regular crochet braids. So yeah, right here I'm just braiding her hair all the way back. I did use extensions to secure it. And if you see her laughing and talking, she's talking to the movie and laughing at the movie, and it's a lot going on in this video. She has baby, so she had to tend to baby. My kids are in the background, helping out, giving water, helping feed the baby, and all this other stuff. So if you see a couple cameos, that's what's going on. So yeah, it's really not much to the braiding pattern. You don't have to be specialized or great at, parting. Like I said, it's just a zigzag parting, just so the hair would look like it's been twisted in naturally or individually. Now, I couldn't show you everything because, like I said, there was so much that was going on that the recording wasn't always right. So I had to kept stopping and just help out and get things done, and so it was a lot going on. So what I'm doing right here is just, like I said, braiding her hair back, and I'm gonna show you the braid pattern once I get done, and then it'll be a couple clips of me actually putting the hair in, and then it'll be the end result. So you guys know how to crochet, so it's not much to it, but I think the most important part of this video is the braid pattern, so you can see what it looks like, so that way if you want to do it, you can see it's not perfect, it's not something that's orchestrated very well. It's just, you just got to know how to part crooked, pretty much. But this hairstyle really ended up working out. It was very light. I did run out of hair and I had to improvise, and I ended up using some of my waterwave crochet hair to fill in the twist. So that's what I ended up doing. It still ended up turning out really cute, and you guys will see everything that I do in this video as far as the hair install, just little pieces of the hair being installed, and then it'll be the end result. And as you can see, this is the braid pattern. Very simple zigzags for like 3 inches down and then straight backs.